Alphabet sound actions. Learn letter sounds with movement. Are you ready? Let's begin.
S,
Join your hands together, flat with your palms touching. Move your hands and arms smoothly side to side. Now slowly curve them in an S shape, like a slithering snake. Make the sound with me.
Super job!